जी गुड मॉर्निंग।
मॉर्निंग भाई, गुड मॉर्निंग। हम्म।
जी।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
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 हम्म।
जी।
तो पुराना पिछला चैप्टर खत्म हो गया था मेरे ख्याल में। वी
हाँ।
हैव स्टार्ट न्यू चैप्टर है।
2.10.1।
2.10.1। चलो अभी पढ़ो तुम पर।
हाँ जी एक नजर से खोल लें।
हाँ, आराम से।
जी। श्री शुक उवाच। अत्र सर्गो विसर्ग विसर्गश्च स्थानं पोषण मूर्तयः मन मनवंतरे चानुकथा निरोधो मुक्तिराश्रया।
अत्र सर्गो विसर्गस्य स्थानं पोषणमूर्तयः मन्वन्तरेशानुकथा निरोधो मुक्तिराश्रय।
जी। Translation. Sri Sukdev Goswami said in the Srimad Bhagavatam there are 10 divisions of statements regarding the following: the creation of the universe, sub creation, planetary system, protection by the Lord, the creative impetus, the change of Manus, the signs of God returning home back to Godhead, liberation, and the Saman Bonam.
यहाँ
ये
पर
चीज
उन्होंने
बताइए।
बता दिया कि भाई कर्म है, क्या क्या है। बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें हैं, सारा सारा कुछ।
जी।
द एंटायर साइंस एंड हिस्ट्री ऑफ द यूनिवर्स
बिल्कुल।
एंड ह्यूमन बींग्स, द
जी।
क्रिएशन, सब बता दिया, सब है ना।
जी। जी।
इंक्लूडिंग द
दश,
साम बोनम, दैट इज द सुप्रीम लॉर्ड। टेक्स्ट टू।
जी। दशमस्य विशुद्धयर्थम नवानामि लक्षणम वर्णयन्ति महात्मनः श्रेतुनार्थेन श्रेतुनार्थेन चांजसा।
दशमस्य विशुद्धर्थम नवानामिह लक्षणम वर्णयन्ति महात्मनः श्रुतेनार्थेन चांजसा।
G. To isolate the transcendence of the Saman Bonam, the symptom of the rest are described sometimes by Vedic inference, sometimes by direct explanation, and sometimes by summary explanation given by the great sages.
ये ठीक है, चलो
G.
टेक्स्ट।
3. भूत मातेन्द्रिय यधियाम जन्म सर्ग उदाहरता ब्राह्मणों गुण वैषम्याद्विसर्गः पौरुषः स्मृतः।
भूत मात्रेन्द्रियाद्याम जन्म सर्ग उदारितः ब्रह्मणो गुण वैषम्याद विसर्गः पौरुषः स्मृतः।
जी। The elementary creation of 16 items of matter, namely the five elements fire, water, land, air, and sky, sound, form, taste, smell, touch, and the eyes, ear, nose, tongue, skin, and mind, is known as Sarg, whereas subsequent resultant interaction of the modes of material nature is called Visarg. अच्छा। eyes, tongue, ये सर्ग है, whereas subsequent resultant interaction of the modes of material nature is called Visarg. अच्छा, purport. In order to explain the 10 divisional symptoms of the Srimad Bhagavatam, there are 7 continuous verses. The first of these under reference pertains to the 16 elementary manifestations of earth, water, etc., with material ego composed of material intelligence and mind. The subsequent creation is a result of reaction of the above mentioned 16 energies of the first Purus, the Mahavishnu incarnation of Govinda, as later explained by Brahma in his treatise Brahma Samhita as follows. यद कारण यदि कारना नार नव जले
और
भजन
हाँ चलो ठीक।
इसमें योगा निद्राम अनंत जगदंद सरोमा कूपा आधार शक्तिम अवलंब्य परम स्वमूर्तिम गोविंदम आदि पुरुषम तम अहम भजामि. The first Purush incarnation of Govinda, Lord Krishna, known as Mahavishnu, goes into Yoga Nidra, mystic sleep, and the innumerable universe are situated in potency in each and every hair hole of his transcendental body. As mentioned, as mentioned in the previous verse, or with reference to the Vedic conclusion, the creation is made possible from the Supreme Personality of Godhead directly by manifestation of his particular energies. Without such a Vedic reference, the creation appears to be a product of material nature. This conclusion comes from a poor fund of knowledge. From Vedic reference, it is concluded that the origin of all energies, namely internal, external, and marginal, is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And as explained herein before, the illusory conclusion is that creation is made by the inert material nature. The Vedic conclusion is transcendental light, whereas the non-Vedic conclusion is material darkness. The internal potency of the Supreme Lord is identical with the Supreme Lord, and the external potency is enlivened in contact with the internal potency. The part and parcel of the internal potency which react in contact with the external potency are called the marginal potency or the living entities. Thus, the original creation is directly from the Supreme Personality of Godhead or Parambrahm, and the secondary creation as the reactionary result of original ingredients is made by Brahma. Thus, the activities of the whole universe are started.
यहाँ इसी को जरा समझने की कोशिश कर लो क्या नाम है, द इंटरनल पोटेंसी ऑफ द सुप्रीम लॉर्ड इज आइडेंटिकल विद द सुप्रीम लॉर्ड and the external potency is enlivened in contact with the internal potency. The parcel of the internal potency which react in contact with the external potency are called the marginal potency or the living entities. है ना, ये बता रहे हैं कुछ. Thus the original creation is directly from the supreme personality of Godhead, मतलब और परम ब्रह्म. ओरिजिनल क्रिएशन तो महाविष्णु का हो गया मेरे ख्याल में, महाविष्णु है ना. एंड द सेकेंडरी क्रिएशन एज ए रिएक्शनरी रिजल्ट ऑफ द ओरिजिनल इंग्रेडिएंट. अच्छा, अब उसके अंदर में उनके सब सारे पोर्स से डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सेस पैदा हो गए. अच्छा, अब क्या नाम है, ये कह रहे हैं कि एंड द सेकेंडरी क्रिएशन इन ईच यूनिवर्स. अब वो फर्दर बताएंगे कि गर्भदक्षाई विष्णु का भी क्रिएशन होगा, ब्रह्मा स्प्राउट होंगे, है ना. रिएक्शनरी रिजल्ट्स ऑफ द ओरिजिनल इंग्रेडिएंट्स इज मेड बाय ब्रह्मा. अब वहां पर ब्रह्मा जी को एक तरह चाहे ओरिजिनल क्रिएशन कहो चाहे क्या नाम है सेकेंडरी कहो, ब्रह्मा जी जो है वो क्रिएट करेंगे उनके नाम है सारे ह्यूमन्स को और एनिमल्स को और इंसेक्ट्स को. दस द एक्टिविटीज ऑफ होल यूनिवर्स आर स्टार्टेड. इसी तरह से पहले महाविष्णु मतलब उनके प्रथम पुरुष आए, पोर्स से, ये तो बताया ये परपोर्ट में ना, उनके
जी
पोर्स से डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सेस पैदा हुए। अब आगे क्रम है, मतलब ब्रह्मा जी हैं क्रिएट करते हैं सेकेंडरी यूनिवर्स को। अब मैं पढ़ता हूँ टेक्स्ट को है। अच्छा, स्थिति वैकुंठ विजय पोषणम तदनुग्रह मनवंतराणि सधर्म उतयः कर्म वासना।
इस स्थित स्थिति वैकुंठ विजया पोषणम तदनुग्रह मन मंत्राणि सधर्म पूतयः कर्म वासना।
द राइट सिचुएशन फॉर द लिविंग एंटिटीज, ये सब सुखदेव गोस्वामी बता रहे हैं
जी
है ना। द राइट सिचुएशन फॉर द लिविंग एंटिटीज इज टू obey the laws of the Lord and thus be in perfect peace of mind under the protection of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. The manus and the laws are meant to give right direction in life. The impetus for activity is the desire for the fruitive work. The impetus for activity is the desire for fruitive work. अच्छा, है ना। एक तो मनुस्मृति जो है वो आपके भले के लिए ऐसा बता रहे हैं, है ना। और एक बता रहे हैं कि impetus for activity is the desire for fruitive work. Purport. Material world is created, maintained for some time, and again violated by the will of the Lord. The ingredients for creation and subordinate creation, Brahma, are first created by Lord Vishnu in his first and second incarnations. The first Purusha incarnation is Mahavishnu, and second Purusha incarnation is the Garbhodakshai Vishnu, whom Brahma is created. The third Purush avatar is Kshirodakshai Vishnu, and who lives as the super soul of everything in the universe and maintains the creation generated by Brahma. Shiva is one of the many sons of Brahma, and he annihilates the creation. Therefore, the original creator of universe is Vishnu, and he is also the maintainer of the created beings by his causeless mercy. As such, it is the duty of all conditioned souls to acknowledge the victory of the Lord and thus become pure devotees and live peacefully in this world. Miseries and dangers are always in existence. The conditioned souls who take this material creation as the place for salvation of the senses and thus are illusioned by external energy of Vishnu remain again to be subjected to the laws of material nature, creation and destruction. हाँ, ये जो सुन ये वाला जो है खैर पता तो है, बट फिर भी यहाँ कह रहे द कंडीशनड सोल्स take this material creation as the place for satisfaction of senses and thus are illusioned by the external energy of Vishnu remain again to be subjected to the laws of material nature, creation and destruction.
Yes.
In the Bhagavad Gita, it is said that the beginning from the topmost planet of this universe down to the lowest planets, Patal Lok, all are destructible and the conditioned souls may travel in space, either good or bad work or by modern spacecraft. But they are sure to die everywhere. Although the duration of life in different planets is different. The only means to attain eternal life is to go back home, back to Godhead, where there is no more rebirth as in the material planets. The conditioned soul, being unaware of this very simple fact, because of forgetting their relationship with the Lord or Vaikunt, try to plan out a permanent life in this material world. Illusioned by the external energy, they thus become engaged in various types of economic and religious development. That they are meant for going back home, back to Godhead. This forgetfulness is so strong due to the influence of Maya that the conditioned souls do not at all want to go back to Godhead. By sense enjoyment, they become victims of birth and death repeatedly, and thus spoil human lives, which are chances for going back to Vishnu. The directive scriptures made by Manus in different ages are called Sadharma, good guidance for the human beings, who should take advantage of all the revealed scriptures for their own interest to make life's successful termination. The creation is not false, but it is a temporary manifestation, just to give a chance for the conditioned soul to go back to Godhead. The desire to go back to Godhead, functions performed in that direction, form the right path of work. When such a regulative path is accepted, the Lord gives all protection to his devotees by his causeless mercy, while the non-devotees seek risk their own activities to bind themselves in a chain of fruitive actions. The word Sadharma is significant in this connection. Sadharma or duty performed by going back to Godhead and thus becoming his unalloyed devotee is the only pious activity. Sun lo bhai. Other may pretend to be pious, but actually they are not. It is for this reason only that the Lord advises in Bhagavad Gita that one give up all so-called religious activities and completely engage in the devotional service of the Lord. Become free from all anxieties due to the dangerous life of material existence. To work situated in Sadharma is the right direction of life. The aim of life should be to go back home, back to Godhead, and not be subjected to repeated births and deaths in the material world by getting good or bad bodies for temporary existence. Lies the intelligence of human life and should desire the activities of life in that way. सर बता दिया भाई इन्होंने यहाँ पे
जी
है ना कि सद्धर्म क्या चीज है. Otherwise, तो आप यू आर एक्चुअली सीकिंग टेम्पररी लाइफ आफ्टर लाइफ, है ना. 5 ठीक है. अवतारानुचरितम हरेश्चास्यानुवर्तिनाम पुंसामीश कथा प्रोक्ता नानाख्यानोपबृंहिता. जी.
अवतार अनुचरितम चास्यानुवर्तिनाम
तथा प्रोक्ता
पुंसामीश कथा प्रोक्ता नानाख्यानोपबृंहिता.
Translation. The science of God describes the incarnations of personality of Godhead and his different activities together with the activities of his great devotees. दो चीजें हैं, भगवान की लीला और activities of his different devotees, great devotees. जैसे नारद हैं, व्यास देव हैं, प्रहलाद महाराज हैं. Purport. During the course of existence of cosmic manifestation, the chronology of history is created. According the activities of the living entities, people in general have a tendency to learn the history and narrations of different men and times. But due to lack of knowledge in the science of Godhead, they are not apt to study the history of incarnations of the personality of Godhead. It should always be remembered that the material creation is created for the salvation of the conditioned soul.
हम्म
The merciful Lord, out of his causeless mercy, descends to various planets in material world and act for the salvation of conditioned souls. That makes the history and narrations worth reading.
हम्म
Srimad Bhagavatam offers such transcendental topics of the Lord in relationship with great devotees. Therefore, the topics of the devotees and the Lord are to be given respectful oral reception.
हम्म
है ना?
हम्म
है कि नहीं? ठीक है?
जिया जी, इसमें जितना हम लोगों ने पढ़ा है उसमें एक मेन पॉइंट ये है, जो हम लोगों ने प्रीवियस श्लोका पढ़ा उसमें उन्होंने बताया गया ना कि मनु संहिता में कुछ रूल्स बताए गए हैं। तो बस उसमें केवल जो प्रैक्टिकल लेवल पे जिया जी मैं ये देखती हूँ कि अगर मान लीजिए जो रूल्स बताए गए हैं और हमारी कुछ पहले से हैबिट्स पड़ी हुई हैं, तो हमारा मेन काम बस वहीं पे होता है जहां पे रूल्स बताए गए हैं, और हम जो काम कर रहे हैं अगर वो रूल्स के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं है तो बस वहीं पे हमको अपने को समझाने का प्रयत्न करना है कि हम लोग रिपीटेड बर्थ में जो चीजें करते आए वो सही नहीं है, और जो मनु संहिता में या गॉड जो रूल्स बता रहे हैं उनके अकॉर्डिंग हमको चलना है।
मनु संहिता का तो पता है नहीं हम लोगों को, ठीक है ना?
जी
है ना? अब इसलिए मेरे को तो यही लगता है कि जो सिंपल, जो ग्रेट डिवोटीज, और ये कहा है कि जो भगवान लॉर्ड कृष्णा ने कहा है ना भगवत
हम्म
गीता में कि
वो उतना मानो।
मेरा भजन करो, बस क्या नाम, मेरी
जी
डिवोशनल सर्विस करो,
जी
बस, और कुछ नहीं। अपने काम को भी मतलब
हम्म
भगवान की तरफ मोड़ना शुरू कर दो।
बिल्कुल।
योर लाइफ एम शुड बी टू वर्शिप मी, मतलब
हाँ
मेरे को अपना लाइफ का सेंटर बना लो, बस।
जी
है ना?
बिल्कुल।
हाँ,
और ये
ऐसे।
चाहे करो जो करो, जैसे मान लो हम जॉब कर रहे हैं, जॉब करो, खाना खाओ, कपड़े पहनो, पार्टी में जाना पड़ रहा वो भी जाओ, जो कर रहे हो वो करो, लेकिन अंदर से ये समझते रहो कि ये सब टेम्परेरी है। और
हाँ, मतलब उसके वो अटैचमेंट नहीं हो, ये
हाँ
वाला एंडेवर होना चाहिए।
हाँ, और यदि ये कंसेप्ट कि जो सेंस ग्रेटिफिकेशन, जो हम सेटिस्फैक्शन चाहते हैं, वो जो हम ये कर रहे हैं इसमें नहीं मिलेगा, जो सांसारिक चीजें हम कर रहे हैं।
हाँ, मतलब उसके अंदर में इसीलिए आपका डिटैचमेंट बना रहेगा फिर।
जी 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 जी
आप जो है भगवान से ही जुड़े रहेंगे, क्या नाम है,
जी
आप
जी
मतलब आप उस मतलब वो उस टाइप के वर्ल्ड में रहते हुए भी आप, क्या नाम है, मतलब उसमें उससे दूर रहेंगे, क्या नाम
जी, ये चीज है।
है ना? तुमने बिल्कुल वो सही कहा है।
जी
ये जो है, जो स्पेशली जो गृहस्थ हैं, या जो 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 मटेरियल वर्ल्ड में हैं, दे हैव टू, मतलब कर्म तो उनको करना ही है ना।
हम्म,
तो कर्म करते हुए इसी मटेरियल वर्ल्ड में कैसे गोइंग बैक टू गॉड हेड जाएं, तो
हाँ
वो जो है ना,
वो
मतलब
मेन चीज है।
वो चीज जो है वो कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं, ये भाई ये शास्त्र जो है
हम्म
आते हैं हर टाइम। जैसे कल भी हम लोग भगवत गीता का वो श्लोक पढ़ रहे थे ना,
जी
बार बार इसमें कह रहे हैं कि ये जो जो ये जो सेंसेस हैं, एक तो सेंसेस को सेंस ऑब्जेक्ट के उसमें एंगेज कर दो,
हम्म
है ना, और या इन
जी
सेंसेस को भगवान की तरफ लगा दो।
हम्म
यही वाला चैलेंज है।
जी
अब सेंस ऑब्जेक्ट्स से आप भाग तो नहीं सकते, उनको आर्टिफिशियली नहीं रोक सकते, हम नौकरी तो
हम्म
नहीं छोड़ सकते हैं आप,
हम्म
हैं,
हम्म
समाज में रहना थोड़ी बंद कर सकते हैं,
बिल्कुल।
है ना? संन्यास
और
तो नहीं ले सकते ना हम लोग,
इसकी जरूरत भी नहीं है,
वहाँ बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है।
इसकी जरूरत नहीं, बस
देखो
आप अपनी
ऐसा है ना,
बनाइए।
वो, हाँ,
जी
कुछ लोगों को जिनको ये मतलब दोज हु कैन डू दिस, संन्यास,
हम्म
वो लो आप, लेकिन क्या नाम है, ऐसा वो कोई उन्होंने कंपलसरी नहीं किया हुआ है, नो, नॉट एट
बिल्कुल।
ऑल। इवन
हम्म
महाप्रभु ने भी नहीं लोगों को कहा है लेने के लिए,
हम्म
है ना?
जी
बिल्कुल।
बिल्कुल
हम्म, तो ये लास्ट मेरा श्लोक है, मैं पढ़ दे रहा
जी
हूँ। टेक्स्ट 6। निरोधो स्यानुशयनमात्मनः सह शक्ति भी मुक्ति हृत्वा नयथा रूपम स्वरूपेण व्यवस्थित।
निरोधो स्यानु शयन शयन मात्मनः सह शक्तिभिः
मुक्ति
हित्वान्य थारूपम स्वरूपेण व्यवस्थितिः.
the merging of the living entity along with his conditioned living tendency. The merging of the living entity along with his conditioned living tendency with the mystic lying down of Mahavishnu is called the winding up of the cosmic manifestation. Liberation is the permanent situation of the form of living entity after he gives up the changeable gross and subtle material bodies. यही सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज है, हाउ टू गिव अप द सटिल एंड ग्रॉस मटेरियल बॉडीज. सारा अटैचमेंट इसी में है, ग्रॉस एंड सटिल बॉडी. वी लव आवर मतलब ग्रॉस बॉडी है ना, वो बड़ा मतलब वो हम लोग वी आर इन लव विद आवर सेल्फ मतलब आवर बॉडीज हैं. और सटिल बॉडीज का तो पता है ही है, अपने दिमाग में चल रहा है अपना हिसाब किताब. Purport. As we have discussed several times, there are two types of living entities. Most of them are ever liberated or nitya muktas, while some of them are ever conditioned. The ever conditioned souls are apt to develop a mentality of lording over the material nature. And therefore, the material cosmic creation is manifested to give the ever conditioned souls two kind of facilities. बड़ा simple है. One facility is that the conditioned soul can act according to his tendency to lord it over the cosmic manifestation. And the other facility gives the conditioned soul a chance to come back to Godhead. So after the winding up of the cosmic manifestation, most of the conditioned souls merge into the existence of Mahavishnu, personality of Godhead, lying in his mystic slumber to be created again in the next creation. But some of the conditioned souls who follow the transcendental sound in the form of Vedic literature and thus are able to go back to Godhead, attain spiritual and original bodies after quitting the conditioned gross and subtle material bodies. The material conditional bodies develop out of the living entities' forgetfulness of their relationship with the Godhead. During the course of cosmic manifestation, the conditioned souls are given a chance to revive their original status of life with the help of revealed scriptures so mercifully compiled by the Lord in his different incarnations. Reading or hearing of such transcendental literatures help one become liberated even in the conditioned state of material existence. All the Vedic literatures aim at devotional service to the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And as soon as one is fixed upon this point, he at once becomes liberated from the conditional life. The material, gross, and subtle forms are simply due to the conditioned souls of ignorance. And as soon as he is fixed in the devotional service of the Lord, he becomes eligible to be freed from the conditioned state. Devotional service is transcendental attraction for the Supreme on account of his being the source of all pleasing humor. Everyone is after some pleasure of humor for enjoyment, but does not know the supreme source of all attraction. Raso vai saha rasam hi evasham labdha vandi bhavati. The Vedic hymn informs everyone about the supreme source of all pleasures. The unlimited fountainhead of all pleasures is the personality of Godhead. And one who is fortunate enough to get this information through transcendental literatures like Srimad Bhagavatam becomes permanently liberated to occupy his proper place in the kingdom of God.
हम्म
है ना? तो ये
जी
बात भाई श्रीमद् भागवतम को सुनने का, और उसको जब तक आपके कानों में जाता रहेगा ना, तो फिर वो
जी
क्लिक भी होती रहेगी, आप फिर भगवान की तरफ मुड़ोगे।
हम्म
अदरवाइज तो वो है, क्या नाम है कि एक तो ये है कि आप ऊपर अप डाउन जाते रहोगे इन वेरियस
हम्म,
प्लैनेट्स, है ना? और दूसरा फिर जब वो एनहाइलेशन होगा तो फिर आप स्लम्बर में चले जाओगे फॉर मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स, आप भी पड़ जाओ, फिर दोबारा फिर आपको इनकारनेट कर देंगे।
हम्म,
एवरी टाइम आपको एक बार ह्यूमन लाइफ मिलेगी विद योर मटेरियल सटल बॉडीज, जिसमें कि आप ये फिर कर सकते हैं और निकल सकते हैं,
हम्म,
है ना? बड़ा,
जी
हाँ, ये भगवान की कॉजलेस मर्सी है इनकी,
हम्म,
करुणामयी वो है, मतलब,
हम्म,
है ना?
बिल्कुल।
है ना? तो ये है। चलो अब आप पढ़िए।
जी हाँ, आभास च निरोधश्च यतो इस्त्यध्यवसीयते स आश्रयः परम ब्रह्म परमात्मेति शब्दते।
भासश्च निरोधश्च यतोऽस्त्यध्यवसीयते स आश्रयः परम ब्रह्म परमात्मेति शब्दते।
जी, the Supreme One, who is celebrated as the Supreme Being or the Supreme Soul, is the supreme source of the cosmic manifestation as well as its reservoir and winding up. Thus, he is the supreme fountainhead, the absolute truth. Purport. Synonym for the supreme source of all energies, as explained in the very beginning of Srimad Bhagavatam, are uh, Janmadi Asya Yataha Vadanti Tat Tattvavidas Tattvam Yad Jnanam Advaitam Brahmeti Parma par, Paramatma
परमात्मेति।
Meti Bhagwanam Iti शब्दयेत called Parambrahm, Paramatma or Bhagwan. The word iti used here in this verse completes the synonym and thus indicates Bhagwan. This will be further explained in the later verses. But this Bhagwan ultimately means Lord Krishna because of Srimad Bhagavatam has already accepted the Supreme Personality of Godhead as Krishna. Krishna tu Bhagwan Swayam, the original source of all energies, or the sumum
समम बोनम।
Acha, Samam Bonam is the absolute truth, which is called Parambram, etc. The Bhagwan is the last word of the absolute truth. But even with the synonym of Bhagwan, such as Narayana, Vishnu, and Purusha, the last word is Krishna, as confirmed in the Bhagavad Gita. Aham sarvas prabhavo mattah sarvam
वर्तते।
pravartate, etc. Besides that, the Srimad Bhagavatam is the representation of Lord Krishna as a sound incarnation of the Lord. Krishne swa dhamo dhamo pagate dharma ज्ञाना ज्ञानादि भी सह
अलाव नष्ट
कालो नष्टा दृश्यम ईशाह पुरा नारको नो धिता। अच्छा, thus, by general conclusion, Lord Krishna is the ultimate source of all energies, and the word Krishna means that. And to explain Krishna or the science of Krishna, the Srimad Bhagavatam has been prepared. In the first canto of Srimad Bhagavatam, this truth is indicated in the questions and answers by Sutta Goswami and the great sages like Shaunika. And in the first and second chapter of the canto, This is explained. In the third chapter, this subject is more explicitly, and in the fourth chapter, even more explicit. In the second canto, the absolute truth as the personality of Godhead is further emphasized, and the indication is the Supreme Lord Krishna. The summary of Srimad Bhagavatam is 4 verses, as we have already discussed in succession. The Supreme Personality of Godhead in the ultimate issue is confirmed by Brahma in his Brahma Samhita as Ishvara Paramah Krishna Sakchit Anand Vigraha. So it is concluded in the third canto of the Srimad Bhagavatam. The complete subject matter is elaborated, explained in the 10th and 11th cantos of Srimad Bhagavatam. In the matter of the changes of the Manus and
Manvantras,
such as the Swambhu Manvantara and
Chakshusha
Manvantara, as they are discussed in the 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th, 7th cantos of Srimad Bhagavatam. Lord Krishna is indicated. In the 8th canto, the Vaishvata Manvantara explain the same subject indirectly, and in the 9th canto, the same purport is there. In the 12th canto, the same is explained further, specifically regarding the different incarnation of the Lord. Thus, it is concluded by the study the complete Srimad Bhagavatam that Lord Shri Krishna is the ultimate summum bonum, or the ultimate source of all energy. According to the grades of worshippers, the indications of the nomenclature may be different, explained by Narayana, Brahma, and Paramatma, etc. जी
श्रीमद् भागवतम में मतलब सारा कुछ बताया है भगवान के बारे में। ये सृष्टि कैसे बनी, कितने कैसे वेरियस मनवंतरों में ना मनवंतरों में कैसे हुआ,
जी
का नाम दिया है
जी यो
से। हाँ चलो।
यो आध्यात्मिको अयम पुरुषः सो सावेवाधि दैविकः यस्त त्रोभय विच्छेदः पुरुषो ह्याधि भौतिकः।
यो आध्यात्मिको यम पुरुषः सो सावेवाधिक दैविकः यस्तस्त्रो भय विच्छेदः पुरुषो ह्याधि भौतिकः।
The individual person possessing different instruments of sense is called the Adhyatmic person, and the individual controlling deity of the sense is called Adhidevik. The embodiment seen on the eyeball is called the
Adhibhautik person.
Adhibhautik person. Purport: the supreme controlling Samambonam is the personality of Godhead in his plenary portion of Paramatma, and the super soul
or the super soul manifestation.
Or the super soul manifestation. In the Bhagavad Gita 10.42, it is said, Atharva Bhanu Naitina Kim Gyanetna Tavarjun अच्छा विस्त भ्याहम इदम कृतनम एकम सेन श्रितो
जगत
जी। All the controlling deities like Vishnu, Brahma, and Shiva are different manifestation of the Paramatma feature of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna, who exhibits himself in such manners by entering into each and every universe generated from him. But still, apparently, there are divisions of the controller and controlled. For example, in the food controlling department, the controller of food is a person made of the same ingredients as person who is controlled. Similarly, each and every individual in the material world is controlled by the higher demigods. For example, we have our senses, but the senses are controlled by superior controlling deities. We cannot see without light, and the supreme controller of light is the sun. The sun god is the sun planet, and we the individual human beings or any other being on this earth are all controlled by the sun god as far as our eyes are concerned. Similarly, all the senses we have are controlled by the superior semi-gods who are also as much living entities as we are, but one is empowered while the other is controlled. One is empowered while the other is controlled. The controlled living entity is called Adhyatmic person, and the controller is called Adhidevic person. All these positions in the material world are due to the different fruitive activities. Any individual living being can become the sun god or even Brahma or any other god in the upper planetary system by a higher grade of pious work. And similarly, one become controlled by the higher demigods by lower grades of fruitive activities. So every individual living entity is subject to the supreme control of the Paramatma, who puts everyone in different positions of the controller and the controlled. That which distinguishes the controller and the controlled. The material body is called the Abhibhautik Purusha. The body is sometimes called Purush as confirmed in the Vedas in the following hymn. Sa va is Puruso na na ra sa maya. This body is called the unrus embodiment. This body depends on food. The living entity which is embodied does not eat any. The living entity which is embodied does not eat anything. However, because the owner is the spirit in essence, the material body requires a replacement of matter for wearing and tearing of the mechanical body. Therefore, the distinction between the individual living entity and controlling planetary deities is in the Rasamaya body. The sun may have a gigantic body and the man may have a smaller body, but all these visible bodies are made of matter nonetheless. The sun god and the individual person who are related as the controller and controlled are the same spiritual parts and parcels of the supreme being. It is the supreme being who places different parts and parcels in different positions, and thus the conclusion is that the supreme person is the shelter of all. Shelter of all.
बिल्कुल एकदम क्लियर है इसमें मतलब कभी भी बता दिया देवताओं में और आप में कोई अंतर नहीं है
जी
सिर्फ दैट उनको भगवान ने कंट्रोलर बनाया है कि अपने गुणों और कर्म की वजह से ही ब्रह्मा बन सकते हैं
जी
टेक्स्ट 9
जी एक मेघ तराभावे यदा नूपल भामहे त्रितत्यम तत्र यो वद सा आत्म स्वाश्रयाश्रयः
एक मेघ कतरा भावी यदा नोपल भामहे त्रितयम तत्र यो वेद स आत्मा स्वाश्रयाश्रयः
Translation. All three of the above mentioned states of different living entities are interdependent. In the absence of one, another is not understood. But the Supreme Being, who sees every one of them as the shelter of the shelter, is independent of all, and therefore he is the supreme shelter. All three of the above mentioned stages of different living entities are interdependent. In the absence of one, another is not understood. But the Supreme Being who sees every one of them as the shelter of the shelter is independent of all, and therefore he is the supreme shelter. There are innumerable living entities, one dependent on the other in the relationship of the controller and the controlled and the controller. But without the medium of perception, no one can know or understand who is the controlled and who is the controller. For example, the sun controls the power of our vision. We can see the sun because the sun has its body, and the sunlight is useful only because we have eyes. Without our having eyes, the sunlight is useless, and without sunlight, the eyes are useless. Thus, they are interdependent, and none of them is independent. Therefore, the natural question arises concerning who made them interdependent. The one who has made such a relationship of interdependence must be ultimately completely independent. As stated in the beginning of Srimad Bhagavatam, the ultimate source of all interdependent object is the complete independent subject. The ultimate source of all interdependence is the supreme truth or Paramatma, the super soul. He is not dependent on anything else. He is Swa Sa Re यश रयाह।
यह
क्या लिखा है जी? नहीं समझ आ रहा है।
कोई बात नहीं, स्वशरीरहस्य उससे कोई फर्क नहीं, आगे चल।
अच्छा, he is only dependent on himself and thus he is the supreme shelter of everything. Although Paramatma and Brahma are subordinate to Bhagwan, because Bhagwan is Purushottam or per person. He is the source of the super soul also. In Bhagavad Gita 15.18, Lord Krishna says that he is the Purushottam and the source of everything, and thus it is concluded that Sri Krishna is the ultimate source of all entities, including the super soul and supreme Brahman. Even accepting that there is no difference between the super soul and the individual soul is dependent on the super soul for being liberated from the illusion of material energy. The individual is under the clutches of illusory energy, and therefore, although qualitatively one with the super soul, he is under the illusion of identifying himself with matter. And to get out of this illusory conception of actual life, the individual soul has to depend on the super soul to be recognized as one with him. In the last sense, also the super soul is the supreme shelter, and there is no doubt about it. The individual living entity, the Jeev, is always dependent on super soul Paramatma, because the individual soul forgets his spiritual identity, whereas the super soul Paramatma does not forget his transcendental position. In the Bhagavad Gita, these separate positions of the Jivatma and the Paramatma are specifically mentioned. In the fourth chapter, Arjun, the Jeev soul, is represented as forgetful of his many previous births, but the Lord, the super soul, is not forgetful. The Lord even remembers when he taught the Bhagavad Gita to the sun god some billions of years before. The Lord can remember such millions and billions of years as stated in Bhagavad Gita 7.26 as follows. Vedaham samatitani vart manani
क्या अर्जुना,
कार्जुन।
क्या
अच्छा
अर्जुन, क्या अर्जुना?
जी, भविष्यानि च भूतानि माम तु वेद न
शचाना।
कश्ना। The Lord in his eternal blissful body of knowledge is fully aware of all that happened in the past, that which is going on at present, and also what will happen in the future. But in spite of his being the shelter of both the Paramatma and Brahma, a person with poor fund of knowledge are unable to understand him as he is. The propaganda of the identity of cosmic consciousness with the consciousness of the individual living entity is completely misleading, because even such a person or individual soul as Arjuna could not remember his past deeds, although he is always with the Lord. And what can the tiny ordinary man falsely claiming to be one with the cosmic consciousness know about his past, present, and future?
बिल्कुल एकदम ये बता दिया यहाँ पे कि भाई मतलब परम ब्रह्म और परमात्मा वो भी पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ भगवान है, वो भी सबॉर्डिनेट है। मतलब आपको यू विल हैव टू, अगर परम ब्रह्म में है तो भी आप क्या नाम है, मतलब यू विल हैव टू गेट आउट ऑफ देयर। और सोल जो है वो जो आपके अंदर बैठे हुए हैं भगवान, उन्हीं के थ्रू रास्ता है, ऐसा लगता है।
जी
चलो अब मैं पढ़ता हूँ है।
जी।
10 पुरुषोंडम विनि विनिबृदः बृद यदासो स विनिर्गतः आत्मनो यन्मन्विच्छन्न पोस्त्राक्षिचु चिह शुचि।
जी, पुरुषोंडम विनिर्भिद यदासो सा विनिर्गतः आत्मनो यन
आत्मनो याना
मंच अनो प साक्षी चुचि चुचि जी
after separating the different universes, the gigantic universal form of Lord Mahavishnu, which came out of the causal ocean, the place of appearance for the first Purush avatars, entered into each and every separate universes, desiring to lie on the created transcendental water गर्भोदक्ष. अब ये बताना शुरू किया इन्होंने क्रिएशन की महापुरुष से कैसे वो डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सेस में कि कॉजलेस ओशन में गर्भोदक्ष में जाकर के वो लाई कर रहे हैं, लेटे हुए.
जी
Purport: after analysis of the living entities and the supreme Lord Paramatma, Jeev or Paramatma, the independent source of all other living beings, Srila Shukdev Goswami is now presenting the prime necessity of devotional service to the Lord, which is the only occupational business of all living entities. Supreme Lord Shri Krishna and all his plenary portions and extensions of plenary portions are non-different from one another, and thus the supreme independence is an each and every one of them. In order to prove this, Shukdev Goswami, as promised to King Parikshit, describes here in the independence of the Purush avatar personality of Godhead. The sphere of material creation. Vishnu also is independent in a sense. Such activities of the Lord are also transcendental, and therefore they are also Leela or pastimes of the absolute Lord. Creation of Mahavishnu is also a Leela. Pastimes of the Lord are very conducive to the hearers for the self-realization in the field of devotional service. So I argue, why not then relish the transcendental Leela of the Lord as exhibited in the land of Mathura and Vrindavan, which are sweeter than anything in the world? Leela Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur replies that the pastime of the Lord in Vrindavan are meant to be relished by advanced devotees of the Lord. Hmm.
जीजा जी, पहले हम लोग भक्तों की जो चीजें हैं उनको पढ़ के उतनी समझ तो डेवलप करें कि हम भगवान की चीजों को समझ पाए.
करेक्ट करेक्ट. वहां तक उसके लिए रेडी तो हो, क्वालिफिकेशन तो हो आपके अंदर.
बिल्कुल जिया जी, एक तरह से देखा जाए तो जैसे हम लोग हैं, हम इतना पढ़ रहे हैं, ये जो हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं, तो एक चीज हल्की सी लग रही ना जिया जी की थोड़ी सी ज्यादा हो रही है, क्योंकि अभी हमारा जो जेन्यून इंटरेस्ट है वो इस तरफ इतना इंटेंसिफाइड नहीं है.
क्या कहना चाह रही हूँ मैं समझ मतलब
ये मेरा कहने का मतलब है कि जैसे कभी कभी मैं अपना इंटरनल मैं अपना बता रही हूँ कि जब इसको हम पढ़ते हैं ना तो हल्की सी स्लाइट बोरियत लगती है, स्लाइट जो एक्चुअल कंडीशन है. तब जब मैं इसको एनालाइज करती हूँ तो मुझे ये पता चलता है कि चूंकि इंटरेस्ट अभी दूसरी चीजों में ज्यादा है, इसलिए ये चीज उतनी इंटेंसिटी में समझ में कम आ रही. ये चीज समझने में भी दो चीजें होती हैं, एक वैचारिक रूप में समझना और एक इस चीज को आत्मसात करना. तो अभी बेसिकली हम इसको वैचारिक रूप से समझ रहे हैं.
हाँ, मतलब मेरे को लगता है सोल्यूशन उसका यही है कि देर आर टू 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 स्ट्रीम्स. वन इज द आप भक्ति भी करते रहिए पैरेलली, और ये फिलॉसफीज को भी क्रम है आप श्रवण करते रहिए.
जी
तो आपका जो बोरियत वाला जो जो है जो कि कर मतलब आपको एक इन ए वे लगेगा कि भाई ये तो ब्लास्फेमी टाइप की चीज है भगवान की चीजों में, बट दिस इज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ द सुप्रीम लॉर्ड, है ना.
बिल्कुल.
तो ये जो है ना, इससे कोई घबरा करके या इससे द वेरी नहीं नहीं वो मतलब द वेरी फैक्ट दैट डे इन एंड डे आउट एवरी डे मॉर्निंग डिस्पाइट बीइंग इन अ सर्विस
जी
you are coming and giving your time to this itself is indicative of कि भाई मतलब you are there.
हम्म।
अदरवाइज तो
जी।
क्या है, जैसे कि अभी हमको अलार्म लगाना पड़ता है 4 बजे किसी
जी।
टाइम, क्योंकि पहले जब तुम लोग नहीं थे तब तो फिर आई वॉज इंडिपेंडेंट, 4 बजे उठ गए तो 4 बजे पढ़ना शुरू कर देते थे, कभी
हम्म।
कभी ढाई 3 बजे रात को भी पढ़ना शुरू कर देते थे,
जी।
या कभी क्या नाम है वो सोते रह जाते थे, 6 बजे
हम्म।
उठे फिर छह
हम्म।
बजे पढ़ना शुरू कर देते, बट नाउ
जी।
दिस इज नॉट सो, यू सी। तो अब आपका मन अभी भी यही करेगा, 4 बजे आपको जब उठाए, अरे यार चलो सो लेते हैं, क्या है,
हाँ।
बाकी लोग कर लेंगे अपने आप।
बिल्कुल।
बट द वेरी फैक्ट कि यू फोर्स योर सेल्फ,
हम्म।
प्लीज, मतलब आप, क्योंकि कुछ तो प्रायोरिटीज चाहे जबरदस्ती ही फोर्स कर रहे हैं।
बिल्कुल। और
ये
जी जबरदस्ती ही करना भी पड़ेगा, क्योंकि हम तो
हाँ
अभी तक
हाँ
बहुत
हाँ
कर रहे थे, तो अब तो
सेंसेस को
कंडीशन हो
आपको
गए हैं।
घर में थोड़ा सा कंट्रोल तो करना पड़ेगा,
जी
और
बिल्कुल।
यही प्रोग्रेस,
बिल्कुल।
यही प्रोग्रेस
बिल्कुल। ये तो
है।
है ही है। बिल्कुल।
तो इसलिए तुम तो बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छा कर रही हो, नो नो।
नहीं जी जी, अच्छा नहीं कर रहे हैं, हमारा मानना है जी कि हम कोशिश में लगे रहेंगे तो एक दिन हमें सही चीज पूरी तरह से समझ में आ जाएगी।
हाँ, यस, दैट इज व्हाट इज कृष्णा अबाउट,
जी।
ही इज अप्रिशिएटिव ऑफ दैट।
जी।
Five devotees will misunderstand such supreme transcendental activities of the Lord. And
हम्म।
therefore, the Lord's pastimes in the material sphere related to creation, maintenance of, and destruction are very relishable by the Prakarth or
हम्म।
mundane devotee of the Lord.
हम्म।
As the yoga system mainly based on bodily exercises is meant for the person who is too much attached to the bodily conception of existence.
हम्म।
Similarly, the Lord's pastime related to the creation and destruction of the material world are also for those who are materially attached.
हम्म।
आप इसको समझने की कोशिश करिए,
हम्म।
हैं? लेकिन
जी।
हमको इस रास्ते से जाना पड़ेगा, जाना
हम्म।
चाहिए। For such mundane creatures, the functions of the body and the functions of the cosmic world through physical laws in relationship with the Lord are also therefore included in the understanding of the lawmaker, supreme personality of Godhead। यहाँ पर इसीलिए नियोफाइट्स के लिए ये सब समझना जरूरी है
बिल्कुल।
कि क्या नाम है, पुरुष अवतार, फिर
हम्म।
गर्भोदक्षाई विष्णु, क्षीरोदक्षाई विष्णु,
हम्म।
परमात्मा की आपके कैसे बैठे हैं, योर रिलेशनशिप टू द परमात्मा, परम ब्रह्म।
बिल्कुल।
ये मतलब अभी हम लोग इस स्टेज पे हैं, मंडेन है ना अभी हम,
हम्म।
है ना। फॉर सच
बिल्कुल।
in creatures, the functions of the body and the functions of the cosmic world through physical laws in the relationship with the Lord are also therefore included in the understanding of the lawmaker, the supreme personality of Godhead. The
हम्म।
scientists explain the material functions by so many technological terms of material law, but such blind scientists forget the lawmaker.
हम्म।
The Srimad Bhagavatam points out the lawmaker। ये समझे नहीं आप, हैं?
हम्म।
कि महापुरुष आ कहाँ से रहे हैं।
हम्म।
महापुरुष जो है, जब मतलब भगवान ने अपनी नजर डाली है प्रकृति के ऊपर, तब वो पैदा हुए। द श्रीमद् भागवतम पॉइंट्स आउट द लॉ मेकर। वन शुड नॉट बी अमेज्ड बाय द मैकेनिकल अरेंजमेंट्स ऑफ द complicated engine or dynamo,
हम्म।
but one should praise the engineer who
हम्म।
created such wonderful working machine।
हम्म।
That is the difference between the devotee and the non-devotees। आप
हम्म।
समझिए ना, ये है
जी।
to start having admiration of the supreme lord, कि भाई क्या
हम्म।
चीज उन्होंने बना करके दी है
हम्म।
हमारे भले के लिए।
हम्म।
हमारी इच्छा थी कि ना, मेरा मतलब कि भाई हम खुद ही एंजॉय करना चाहते हैं, वी वांट
हम्म।
टू एंजॉय आवर सेल्व्स।
हम्म।
In the Bhagavad Gita 9.8, the direction of the Lord upon material nature is described।
हम्म।
मायाध्यक्षेण प्रकृति सूयते सच्चिर सचारानम चर्म हेतु नैना कौन्तेय जगत विप्री वर्तते। द
हम्म।
material nature full of physical laws is one of my different energies, therefore it is neither independent nor blind।
हम्म।
Because I'm transcendently all powerful simply by my glancing over material nature. The physical laws of the nature work so wonderfully. The actions and reactions of the physical laws work on that account, and thus material world is created, maintained, and annihilated again and again.
Hmm.
Men with a poor fund of knowledge, however, become astonished by studying the physical laws both within the construction of the individual body and within the cosmic manifestation.
Hmm.
And foolishly, they decry the existence of God, taking it for granted that the physical laws are independent without any metaphysical control.
Hmm.
The Bhagavad Gita 9.11 replies to this foolishness in the following words.
Hmm.
Avagyanati mam mudha manushim tanu tanum ashritam param bhavam ajananto mam bhuta maheshwaram.
Hmm.
The foolish men, Mudha, do not know the personality of Godhead in his eternal form of bliss and knowledge.
Hmm.
The foolish man thinks of the transcendental body of the Lord as something like his own, and therefore he cannot think of the unlimited controlling power of the Lord, who
Hmm.
is not visible in the acting of physical laws.
Hmm.
Lord is, however, visible to the naked eyes of the people in general when he descends himself by his own personal potency.
Hmm.
Lord Krishna incarnated himself as he is and played very wonderful parts as the Lord himself, and the Bhagavad Gita concerns such wonderful actions and knowledge.
Hmm.
Yet foolish men will not accept Lord Krishna as the Supreme Lord.
Hmm.
Only they consider the infinitesimal and infinite features of the Lord because they themselves are unable to become either the infinitesimal or infinite.
Hmm.
One should know that the infinite and infinitesimal side of the Lord are not his highest glories.
Hmm.
Most, the most wonderful manifestation of the Lord's power is exhibited when the infinite Lord becomes visible to our eyes as one of us.
Hmm.
Yet his activities are different from those of the finite beings.
Hmm.
Lifting a mountain at the age of 7 years and marrying 16,000 wives in the prime of his youth are some of the examples of his infinite energy.
Hmm.
But the Mudhas, after seeing them or hearing about them, decry them as legendary and take the Lord as one of them.
Hmm.
They cannot understand that the Lord Sri Krishna, although in the form of a human being, by his own potency, is still the Supreme Lord with the full potency as the Supreme Controller.
Hmm.
And however, the Mudhas give submissive and oral reception to the messages of the Lord, as in the Srimad Bhagavad Gita or in the Srimad Bhagavatam through the channel of disciplic succession,
Hmm.
Mudhas also become devotees of the Lord by the grace of his pure devotees.
Hmm.
For this reason, only either in the Bhagavad Gita or Srimad Bhagavatam, the pastimes of Lord in the material world are delineated for the benefit of those men with poor fund of knowledge.
Hmm.
भैया जब आप इतने बड़े मूढ़ा हैं कि आप ये भी नहीं समझ पा रहे कि भगवान खुद ये भगवद गीता का संदेश दे रहे हैं, कोई ऑर्डिनरी आदमी ये गीता वाली बात कर सकता है? डज एनी पर्सन कैन हैव द कैपेबिलिटी ऑफ गिव दिस काइंड ऑफ नॉलेज?
Hmm.
700 वर्सेस
बिल्कुल।
हैं? तो फिर तो
बिल्कुल।
मूढ़ा है, अगर आप मूढ़ा रहना चाहते तो रहो भाई, हम क्या
Hmm.
ना।
बिल्कुल।
And you have to approach Srimad Bhagavatam with complete surrender to the Supreme Lord. भाई उन्होंने आकर के ये लीलाएं की है, और वो भगवान ने अल्टीमेट मर्सी में उन्होंने भगवत गीता का संदेश भी दिया है।
Hmm.
इसलिए उसको सुनो और समझो,
Hmm.
है ना, और डिवोटीज की संगत में रहो,
Hmm.
फालतू लोगों से एंगेज ही मत करो।
बिल्कुल।
हाँ, तो ये बात है। ठीक है
जी।
भैया, हो गया
जी।
कल, है? ठीक है,
जी।
तो
जी।
इसे समाप्त करते हैं।
जी।
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
थैंक यू।